Hi friends.
Hi, Freddy. Come, sit down.
Thank you guys. What are you doing?
We have prepared for tomorrow's exam.
Oh, what's the exam?
Data structure.
Okay. Can you study?
No.
Did you prepare for that?
No.
Why? Oh shit.
This Q concept is very tough.
What's your problem?
Bro, it is very tough to handle. Bro. I can't
Which topic?
understand. Q concept.
So, Q concept. Can I explain for you? Okay. Q is a part of a data structure. So it is a basic principle is first in, first out. That we call as an FIFO. So when we insert in first element, it will go first out. When we first insert no, so it comes out. This is the basic. So it has 2 points. That is called as an rear point and front point. So
I have some doubts on this point. So what is front point? What is rear point?
so front point is nothing but we are deleting no. That is front point.
Okay.
What we inserting is rear point. I explained it clearly. So if you want to take an array, so I think you already know array. So it's a list of an element. So first we have an empty node. So we want to insert an element. We take an insert like 10, 20, 30. What element you have to choose. So first insertion. So insertion means the last element. So when having array no. So we want to insert the element in a last. So it comes tens. So the next step is to insert in 20. So tens comes into nearby node. So it comes 10, 20. So 10 is called as a front point and 20 is called as a rear point. Okay. So next we want to fill the elements with a given sequence. Before you insert it, so we want to know the table size. So we put in table size under the 5. So we have an element 6. So up to 6 the index having. So the elements are 10, 20, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we want to insert first as a 10. So second as a 20, third as a 20 and goes on. So we inserted 10 element. So it comes to the another while we are inserting 20. So it comes at a rear point. Okay, well, 20 is a rear point and 10 is a front point. So we want to explain the process by line by line. So at last we inserted at the element 250. So we having one balance element 60. So you want to know 60 insert no. So after inserting 60, the 10 will goes out because the stock is full. The size of the table is only 5, but we having element 6. So that time the 10 is goes out. This is called as a view. Okay, so we are going to see an example for NQ. So these are the elements of the queue. So first we have to insert an 10. So this is the first element. So we inserted an element first. So we want to insert. This is a rear point and front point. So we want to next insert a second element. So C is a second element. So 10 moves front. So C is a second element. So C is now C is a front point, C is a rear point. So we inserted 10 element. So when we are inserting second element, with the 10, our first element goes first. So this is a basic concept. So we are going to insert in first element. So C is a front point. So now we are going to insert a second element. So the first element moves first and second element stays back. This is a basic concept of Q. Next we are going to insert a third element. So now C is a rear point and C is a front point. So now we are going to insert a fourth element. So now E is a rear point. So next we are inserting a fifth element. So now E is a rear point. So we want to element. So we have a table size 5. So we have an extra element as 6. So we want to insert an element in an array. So when we are inserting, first element goes out. So C is deleted. Next we are moving the sixth element inside. So now sixth element C is a rear point and first element C is a front point. So this is a basic concept of queue. We use it here in a bank balance. So when we are going to a bank, we are in a queue. So this is a basic concept. It is an example of a queue. Have you all clear about this concept?
Yeah, now we are clear about this concept. Thank you for teaching us.
So okay, bye.